How to enable title in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to show you on how you can show or enable your title in Blox Fruits. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and find the title specialist. So go to second C, which is inside the cafe, the main building, and then in the third C inside the mansion. Then talk to the title specialist and you will see a list of titles that you've unlocked. Choose the title you want. Click on equip and your title will now appear above your username in the game and sometimes in the chat or in the leaderboard. So for that you need to be in the second or the third C to use the title specialist. Titles are unlocked by leveling up, completing quests, winning in PvP, or using specific fruits or weapons. So if your title isn't showing, make sure that you have equipped it at the title specialist and check if you haven't disabled titles in your settings, which is uncommon, and some titles have unique colors or styles. So tell me which C you're in, first, second, or third, and I'll give you specific directions. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.